Techno Industrial Products offers CRB2BW Series Pneumatic Cylinder. The pneumatic cylinder converts the pressure energy of a compressed air medium into mechanical energy in the form of linear or rotary motion. These cylinders are vastly used in automation industry, medical industry, food industry, and many other DIY projects. Series CRB2BW single or double vane rotary actuator is available in 10, 15, 20, 30, or 40 bore. The single vane style uses specially designed seals and stoppers, which enable this compact type actuator to rotate up to 270 degrees. Double vane type is standardized for 90 and 100 degrees. CRB2BW is non-magnetic and CRB2BW is magnetic. Now we are seeing working of these cylinders, available in various sizes to support your working. Thanks for watching.